Is Reggio Calabria safe? The answer might surprise you. From breathtaking landscapes to its rich culture, this Italian gem has so much to offer, but safety is always a top concern. Welcome to Turvoyon, where we uncover everything you need to know to explore Reggio Calabria confidently and enjoy every moment of your trip. Segment 1: Quick Safety Overview. Reggio Calabria is generally a safe city for tourists, with a mix of lively urban areas and tranquil coastal charm. The city scores an overall safety rating of 78.98 during the day, making it ideal for exploring the streets, markets, and historic sites. At night, while the score dips to 52.47, it's still manageable with a little extra caution. Stick to well-lit, busier areas and avoid isolated streets after dark. And remember, in case of any emergency, dial 112. This number connects you to police, medical, and fire services. Segment 2: Crime and Scams. What to watch for. While crime rates in Reggio Calabria are low, like any tourist destination, it pays to be vigilant. Pickpocketing and petty theft are uncommon but can occur in crowded areas like markets, train stations, or tourist hotspots. Keep your belongings secure and avoid flashing valuables like expensive cameras or jewelry. Be mindful of a few scams such as fake petitions or street vendors selling counterfeit goods. Always check restaurant menus for clear pricing and avoid anyone pressuring you to buy something or donate money. Segment 3: Health and Hygiene Tips. Good news, Reggio Calabria is safe when it comes to health and hygiene. The tap water here meets strict EU standards and is safe to drink. Public restrooms are clean, though it's a good idea to carry some tissues and hand sanitizer. When it comes to food, the city boasts incredible cuisine, from fresh seafood to local specialties, and food safety standards are generally high. Segment 4: Natural Risks and Climate. Being a coastal city, Reggio Calabria faces occasional natural risks. The area is prone to minor earthquakes due to its location, but these are rare and usually non-threatening. In the summer months, heat waves can be intense, so stay hydrated and use sunscreen if you're visiting between June and August. Segment 5: Safe Transportation Tips. Transportation in Reggio Calabria is reliable and generally safe. Public buses are a popular way to get around, though they can get crowded. Taxis are also available, but make sure to use licensed ones. If you're driving, be cautious of local traffic. Italian drivers are known for being a bit aggressive. Segment 6: General Tips for Solo Travelers and Women. Reggio Calabria is welcoming for solo travelers and women. During the day, exploring the city feels safe and enjoyable. At night, stick to well-lit areas and avoid walking alone in unfamiliar neighborhoods. Dress modestly when visiting religious sites and respect local customs for a smooth experience. So, is Reggio Calabria safe to visit? Absolutely. With its friendly locals, fascinating history, and breathtaking views, this city is worth adding to your Italian adventure. Just follow these tips, stay aware of your surroundings, and you're all set for a safe and unforgettable trip. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with fellow travelers, and subscribe for more travel tips and guides. And for even